The Potensic ATOM LT Drone is impressively lightweight, allowing users to fly without the hassle of registration, and its compact foldable design makes it incredibly portable. With 2 powerful batteries, it offers an outstanding total flight time of 80 minutes, which is perfect for long practice sessions or exploration. The drone's camera features a 2.5K resolution with electronic image stabilization and a Sony sensor, ensuring high-quality, smooth aerial footage. Its advanced transmission system delivers a strong and stable video feed over a distance of up to 4 kilometers, minimizing latency for capturing distant landscapes. Equipped with a brushless motor and multiple flight modes, this drone is ideal for beginners, offering stability even in windy conditions and a user-friendly experience. The inclusion of 4 satellite positioning systems enables precise GPS functions such as auto-return home and fun features like Follow Me and Circle Fly.